Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Aishwarya bringing you yoga asana practices all the way from its birthplace, India. Today we're going to be seeing a beginner sequence that you can repeat on a daily basis for a full body balanced and powerful flow. Let's do this energizing flow together. We'll begin by coming to the front end of the mat, feet together, hands together in Namaste. Inhale, I want you to lift the right knee up, keeping the right knee bent towards your chest. Try not to lean back, you're just going to balance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take the knee all the way back, stretch it back into Vimanasana or Virabhadrasana C. You can either take your hands to the side or keep them in Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now drop the right heel all the way back. Drop the right heel down. Raise the hands up into Virabhadrasana A or Warrior 1. I'm keeping my left knee bent. Note that. 2, 3, 4, drishti up towards your hands. 5. Now turn the right toes out, open the hands wide, left hand towards the front, right hand towards the back, left knee stays bent. 1, Virabhadrasana B. 2, very comfortable, look at your left fingertips. 4, 5. From here we're going to get into Parsvakonasana. Easier variation, you can do this. For a more challenging variation, bring your left palm in front of your left feet. Take the right hand over the ears. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Bring the right hand also down. Drop the knee down and get into lizard. If you're very comfortable here, come on to your forearms or stay on your palms. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently come back onto your palms. Lift the right knee up. From here, I'm going to take my left leg all the way back and get into side plank. So I'll show you a few variations. Take the left leg back and get into side plank with your left hand up. If this is too much, you can drop the right knee down and also stay. 1, 2, 3, getting into side plank. 4, 5. Gently bring the left hand down. Drop the knee, chest and forehead down, Ashtanga Namaskar. From here, come flat on the mat and relax. I'm going to bend the knees, hold the ankles and prepare for Dhanurasana, a beautiful back bend. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the head, chest and thighs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, gently roll back down. Release the legs, get back into child's pose and stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, lift your head and chest up, tuck the toes in, get into downward facing dog. Just 3 counts here. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, right leg up towards the ceiling, 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring the right leg forward into Ekaraja Kapotasana or Pigeon Pose. Right leg forward, right knee to right wrist and right feet to left wrist. Take the left leg, place it back. First stay here with your palms closer towards your hip. 1, 2, try to keep your spine upright. 3, 4, 5. Now gently fold forward and completely relax over your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale and come back up. Lift the left knee up. Take the right leg back into downward facing dog. Gently drop both the knees down and coming into a kneeling position here. Now to strengthen the quad, we're going to lean back. You can tuck the toes out or keep them in as you wish. From here, lean back. Stay 1. I'm not arching, leaning back from my knee to my shoulder in one straight line. 3, you should feel it on the thighs and your abdomen. 4, 5, gently come back to center. Drop your palms down into tabletop position. Bring the right leg forward between the palms. Bring the left leg forward between the palms. Stay in forward fold. Here, let's stay in the forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, hands up towards the ceiling. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, relax the hands by the side. Tadasana. Close your eyes and breathe. Observe the heartbeat. Observe your breathing and gently bring it back to normal. Very gently open your eyes. Let's repeat the same sequence on the left side. Feet together, hands together in Namaste. Inhale, left knee up towards your chest. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the left leg all the way back for Vimanasana. 1, 2. You can look at an unmoving point for focus and balance. 4 and 5. Drop the left leg all the way back with control. Raise the right hand up. Keep the right leg bent. 1, 2. Drishti at your thumbs. 3. Keep sitting on your right thigh. 4, 5. Now I'm going to turn my left toes out. Right hand in the front, left hand in the back. Look at your right middle finger. Right leg still bent. 2, 3, 4, 5. Parsvakonasana. Right elbow on top of the right thigh or right hand in front of your right foot. Bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Drop the left knee down into lizard. You can stay on your palms or you can get into your forearms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently come back onto your palms. Lift the left knee up and take the right leg back to get into side plank on your left hand. You can either stay here or for the easier variation, you can drop the right knee down and then lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently bring the right hand down. Take the left leg back. Drop the knee, chest and forehead down, Ashtanga Namaskar, and then come flat on your mat. Here, let's prepare for Dhanurasana. Bend both the knees, hold the ankles, Lift the head, chest and thighs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and slowly relax. Release the hands and get back into child's pose. Let's relax here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly lift your head up. Tuck the toes in and lift up to downward facing dog. Adho, Mukha, Svanasana. 3 counts here. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the left leg up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring the left leg forward for pigeon pose. Left feet towards the right wrist, left knee towards the left wrist, and drop your hips down. Bring the palms back close to your hips and lift the spine up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, bend forward completely and relax onto the floor. Feel the stretch on the outer left hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and gently come back up. From here, lift the right knee up. Take the left leg back into downward facing dog again. I'm going to drop both the knees down and coming into a kneeling down position. Going to lean back here. 1, 2, 3. You can even cross your arms or place them in the front. 4, 5. Gently come back to center. Drop your palms down in tabletop position. Bring the left leg between your palms. Right foot between your palms. Stay in the forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lift both the hands up towards the ceiling. Urdhva Exhale, relax the hands by the side. Tadasana. Close your eyes and relax your body. Take a few deep inhales and long, heavy exhales and bring your heartbeat back to normal. Very gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's challenging and fun sequence. Repeat the sequence every day or even more times if required, if you have more time to spare. And see you in the next video. Thank you.